up, guys? This is Coach Sambo right here, and we are now on our way to Battle 61 in France. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. We've been already driving for 2 hours. I'll give you an update in a second. Just let me sleep just a little bit. Alright, so what's up, guys? We had a little nap. And we are 120 kilometers, which is approximately 90 miles away from Battle 61, where we will compete in a 5-on-5. Yeah. So we still have like an hour and a half to go, and you know, Anthony just farted in the car really, really bad. He says it wasn't him, but
it was his. I'm not for sure.
So the event we're going to is a 5-on-5, and it's kind of like a battle of the year. You have to do a showcase first, and then you can compete in the battle. You know, Abdel contacted me like 2 weeks ago, and he said, all right, we need a team from Battle Droids. So, you know, kind of last minute, we kind of made a showcase, and we kind of got working on it, and well, now we're kind of ready. We have a showcase, and we have multiple routines ready. Who are we going to battle? We're going to battle Melting Forest. There's basically all French teams. Also, the world champions last squad will be there, so we might battle them as well. So the judges are Machine, Thias, and Issue, but already that's a good majority right there on musicality. So we got our musicality squad right here. We got Robin, aka the Chosen One, Sweet Finesse representing. We got my man Sis right here in the car. Yeah. We got the Freeze Master. We got Petito. Yeah, what's up, man? And then we got the last dude right here. It's not important. Antonio Banderas. Well, besides this 5-on-5 that we're competing in, there's also a 2-on-2 with a lot of big names, and it's going to be really, really dope. So stay tuned. Yo, sis, you think we're going to win?
Of course you're gonna win. Yeah, I think so.
All right, pure honesty. Anthony, really important question right here real quick.
Yo.
Was it you the one that farted or not?
I think it was sis.
Yo, Peter, are you gonna stick your freezes today?
I hope, man.
Robin.
Yes.
Carry on.
Carry on.
So we just arrived in Argentan, which is basically where Battle 61 is gonna be here. So Battle Droids has arrived. As you can see, everybody's loading their stuff out of the car. It's cold, it's freezing, it was a long drive, but B-boy life, B-boy mode, that's how it goes, right?
Yeah, that's how it goes.
How do you feel, bro?
How do you feel? I feel tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
So as you can see, Argentan is booming. Place to be to party, baby. Yo, sis, tell us about the floor.
Fucked up floor, bro. Not for breaking, man. What is this? I don't like the show anymore.
You're doing like a headstand in the show, right?
Yeah, I think 5 times 8 or something. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna make this one.
Ça va, j'aime bien le stabilisateur là.
Alright, so we just rehearsed a little bit our placements and our counts for the showcase. Now I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. We did, you know, start making this or recycling this show this week. And you know, it's not our best show, but I have to say it is kind of clean.
Today's crazy. It's gonna be crazy. I mean, you're in France. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just being totally honest with you. So, I mean, I've seen kids in here already doing windmill 90 with the same hand.
Oh,
And
sick.
he was like maybe 9. Plus, I mean, you got the invites in here and everything as well.
Yeah, we
man.
got
So,
some
we
Korean
got some
heads,
crazy
we got
heads
some
in here.
Japanese heads, we got Russians.
No, and I'm being honest with you. I just gotta say this. I don't like having a whack bracket.
Wise words from the machine himself, baby.
See y'all.
Yo, my man, Shigekix, brother. Yo, tell us about Battle 61. You think the level is gonna be hardcore?
For sure. Yeah, the lineup is super high, like a top level in the world. Like,
It is, right?
of course, me. No, just kidding. But for others, like a Jinjo Crew, Predators, and more like a last squad.
Who do you think will be the final?
The final, maybe last squat.
Anyway, good luck, bro. Good
Thank
luck
you.
to you, man.
Thank you so much.
Tell me, please, who you think will be the final for today?
I think maybe Japan or the Jinjo versus squad.
We got Abdel from Vagabond Crew. He's organizing this jam right here today. What's the prize money?
Prize money?
Yeah. Is
Peace, love, and unity, and having fun.
yo, my main man, Issue.
Is it live? Or
It's
video?
not live. It's just
Oh,
a video.
okay.
It's just so tell me, who do you think will be the final for today?
It's a really difficult question. Yeah, because today is really crazy liner.
Crazy,
so
huh?
Maybe.
Just as long as you enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
So of course, a very important part of a dancer's life is taking care of your body. And at events like this, we have the luxury of having physiotherapists right here taking good care of our body. So as you can see, Sis is right here, is getting taken care of. And you know this guy knows his shit. All right, so we're gonna let this dude just do his job and take care of Sis because we're gonna need Sis later for the battle. All right, for now, for some reason, we got bikes that are starting out, and this is how they're gonna start the battle. Let's see what happens. So for a French b-boy battle, yo, the judges lineup is crazy. It's insane. Like, you've seen it yourself. It's Thias and Machine and Issue. Quality judging right there, right?
Il est qu'à Sambo et il y a du beau monde avec lui, on va pas se mentir. Attendez un applaudissement. Attendez un applaudissement.
Yo, tell us, Sis, what just happened, bruh?
I'm tired, and the next up, the battles.
The battles, man. Did everything go well, Anthony?
Everything went well. Just made a minor mistake, but I fixed it, so it went great.
Yo, Chosen One, tell us, bro. What happened?
What happened? We just did a showcase and it was, I don't know.
Did you feel the energy?
Yeah, kind of. Not really.
It was hard. Did you stick the freeze combo, bro?
Yeah, I
I heard the people went wild, man. That was good, man. Yo, did you see that Machine got scared when you it was actually a joke, right?
Yeah, it was a joke. We wanted to do like a power kick, but we ended up
Like
like,
top rock, you
it
know.
was like, psych.
So we ain't no power.
Psych, and he was scared that you were gonna, you know, hit everything,
I
right?
was like,
Yeah.
watch out, the camera, bro, with the camera. Like, psych, we're just doing top rocks.
Yo, did you see that Machine was in sync with the whole last part of the show?
Yeah, he was.
That was crazy, right?
Just for music,
It's like he already knew what was gonna happen.
I hope I don't get shot. Gotta throw my vest on my chest. These niggas is a mess. It don't take.
So yeah, we're having a great time right here at Battle 61. The vibe is on. Even though it's not really a b-boy or b-girl crowd, it is really, really fun. You think we got a shot of winning this?
I think we do.
Okay, so after the showcase round, it's time for the battle round, and we are battling Melting Force up in the first round. And it's not Melting Force, the classic Melting Force, it's the new generation of Melting Force. We have the new generation right here versus the new generation of Melting Force, which should be a really cool battle. Stay tuned for that one, man.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, so yeah, we just made this first round. 3 votes against against Melting Force. Awesome. And so now we're getting ready for the final that's gonna happen in a few minutes. Yo, sis, it looks like you got a fan, bro. Of course. Famous people, dog. Famous people. Man. Battle Droids Crew. Forget. 1,000 euros. We got 1,000 euros, man. All right, so we won, and we won at the end with a tie break, and they said it was 2 rounds per crew, and we were like, let's go. But we were like, what was super cool about this jam is that we were really chill. We just came to have fun, and look what happens when you have fun, guys. In the tie break, we were like looking at each other. We're like, you want to go first? No, I want to go first. Like,
Yeah.
It was all good fun and games.
Congratulations to all the crew, Battle Droids. It was very crazy.
And thank you for inviting us.
Yeah, of course, man. It was so good energy, and new generation is very crazy in Belgium because of the work of Sam. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Now, where's that money, baby? Where's that money at? Yo, Anthony, we just got paid, right? Where's the money at? Where's that money at? Yo, we just got paid. What are you gonna do with the money?
It's payday, fellas.
I'm gonna buy candies.
I'm gonna buy a new bike.
I'm gonna buy some candies.
You gonna buy candy?
I'm gonna buy a new bike.
Who's gonna invest it and go to other battles?
I'm gonna invest it in stock.
What are you gonna do with the 200 bucks?
Probably gonna invest for, I don't know, somewhere outside.
Next battle?
Yeah, Prague.
We got the legendary Thias. Thias, tu as un petit dédicace pour les jeunes là aujourd'hui qui ont...
Franchement, ils m'ont fait kiffer. Il faut encore travailler, tu sais comment c'est. Jamais on s'arrête de travailler.
Never
Mais
quit.
on fait kiffer, ça faisait longtemps que je les avais pas vus et ils ont grave progressé, ça fait plaisir. Franchement, ça fait kiffer.
The legend himself, Thias. Look him up, know your shit. Because if you don't know your shit, you don't know your shit. We're just back in the car. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. And woo, what a day. You know, we started rehearsing this week for that showcase, and then we worked on a few routines. And now basically what happened was that we just won this whole jam and we didn't expect it. And that was, you know, that was really cool, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for some tutorials that are coming out. You know, as you can see, I've been pretty busy with the guys. We have tons of projects coming up, and just to keep it short, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. And make sure to check out Battle Droids Crew on Instagram and all these guys that were killing it today here in the battle. Peace.